Drivers tell Blender to affect one object based on a characteristic of something else, and a trick to make things go forever in an animation is to use the frame number as a driver. It's pretty easy, let's check it out. Say we want this car to rotate around the Z-axis, and we just want it to keep rotating forever. This car, by the way, was randomly generated with an awesome add-on called Traffiq, which is linked to below. Select the object, open the sidebar, and click the Item tab. Here we see all our location, rotation, and scale values. Let's go to the rotation settings, and specifically the Z-axis value. Click on it and type #frame. The Z rotation value has turned purple, indicating a driver has been added to it. Press spacebar to play the animation, and we see the object is perpetually rotating around the Z-axis, but it's rotating super fast. This driver has told Blender to use the frame number to affect the object's location along the Z-axis. Now, I would have assumed that 1 frame would equal 1 degree, but it doesn't. I'm not sure why, but I do know how to fix it. By the way, clicking that like button makes my day every time. Thank you so much. Let's right-click the Z rotation value. I'll delete this driver and start over. Now let's do some math. Let's type #frame, but then a slash for divide, and then the number 10. This will cause the rotation to slow down by 90%. We are dividing the speed by 10. Press play, and this is much slower. Divide by more to slow it down even more. The rotation will continue for as long as we play the animation. Thank you for liking and subscribing. Check out Traffiq in the description to make cool cars like this one. Stay creative.